Welcome to 271 HQ. I'm Vincent, and in today's product video, I'm going to go over the design features of the 10th generation Honda Accord front strut tire bar. This is going to be 100% direct bolt-on piece for the 2018 Plus Honda Accords, both the 1.5 liter and 2 liter, and it's going to be a nice added detail piece for under your hood. So follow along and let's dig in. First things first, let's go over the design that you're going to notice straight out of the box. We're going to have a twin tube steel element. What this is going to allow us to do is have 4 pickup points, which is going to be a much stronger bar than any of the 2 pickup points that you're going to notice. As well, because these are welded on to each top hat end, it's going to be significantly stronger. No bending, no flexing, nothing to break. This design plays off directly from our super successful 10th generation Honda Civic bar. It's a bar that works, it fits, and has all the same great features. The Honda Accord being the slightly heavier and bigger brother to the Honda Civic, we've noticed that chassis can have a little bit more body roll. So by stiffening up the chassis with the front strut tire bar and tying the 2 strut points together, you're going to notice reduced body roll and overall improved stability. If your 2018 Plus Honda Accord is heavy with suspension modifications, such as coilovers or airbags that we find really popular on this chassis, our unique top strut hat design allows you easy access to both of these camber plates and these adjustments. This is not a bar that you're going to have to take off every time you want to do that fine tuning. You're going to install this bar once and be done with it. As well, you're going to find this unique 271 gusset plate that's going to let everybody know you've got nothing but the best parts underneath your hood. Installation of the bar is super easy. 6 nuts off, 6 nuts on, torque to spec. And to make it even easier, we're going to include digital downloadable instructions via the QOZUKI mobile app, so that way you can make sure your install is spot on. My name is Vincent. Thanks for tuning in as we went over the details of this bar, and we'll catch you guys next time.